Hi, this is Glenn here of Beaver Labs. I wanted to show you something today I've been working on. I call it kind of trailing edge technology. Those of you who are ancient like I am will remember these things. Punch cards, cleverly with my name on it. That's not a normal punch pattern, but there's 80 columns on these cards using a code called the Epicadic. It was only supported about 64 characters. They could have supported a lot more if they coded it differently. But in any case, I've got whole boxes of these things, and I thought I'd kind of like to be able to read those things. I mean, you can read them on the top. There's a line on the top here. Let's see if I've got a better card for that purpose. Well, maybe you can see that. But you can barely see the words on the top. You put these in an 029 key punch, and they would punch the patterns along with the letter on top of it. So it's human readable with a stack of cards. So I've been working on a device, which I'll try to angle over here so you can see it, for reading punch cards. I designed this up and printed it on a 3D printer. And it's got using a little motor they use in robotics. The idea is you put a punch card in this end here. I don't have a switch up yet, but you put turn this motor on, send it on through, and in the middle of this there's a bunch of IR sensors and sources that read a series of pulses, which you can kind of see on the scope here. And it feeds it to an Arduino processor. This is actually an Elegoo, but it's the same as a Arduino Mega processor. There's a lot of analog input ports. And right now it's all kind of haywire together. There's a breadboard that I was testing values of resistors for those LEDs. Anyway, I'm excited because the printed circuit boards I had made to hold the sensors and resistors is finished, and it's on its way back from the manufacturer. I should have it in probably a week or so. And once I get that installed, I'll have all channels to bring to bear, and then I'll really start hitting heavy on the Arduino program. The challenge here is to get it to read the holes at the right time. There's no clock track, if you will, or set of holes that allow you to know when you've got to the next hole. You have to know what the motor speed is, exactly how fast it's going through the system. So I've designed into this a wheel here with holes on it and sensors on each side, so as the motor turns it can continuously analyze the speed of the motor and make any corrections necessary. Say if it slows down or speeds up because of the power source. Right now I'm using a battery, and they can discharge. It should be self-correcting, so it'll know exactly when to read the next characters. But that'll be a fun challenge, and I'll keep you posted on that.